I was in Dallas, Texas about a month ago, and I was at a terminal and I had to go to another terminal, so I'm waiting outside for a cab. So cab pulls up and said, "You need help?" I said, "Yes." He said, "Get in the car." So we drove to the terminal. He said, "Oh, you Muslim?" I said, "Yes." Assalamu alaikum. He says he's a Muslim too, from Saudi Arabia. He don't know me, he don't know Imam Siraj. When I was about to get off, he said, "You know, brother, I want you to make dua for me. Me and my wife have been married for years and we don't have any children. Make dua that we would have children." I don't know. I made dua for him and his wife maybe 3 weeks straight every day. I don't even know him. Never saw him in my life. But he asked me to make dua. I'm coming from Malaysia. I land in JFK. A cab driver picks me up. He don't speak to me the whole drive home. And I'm about to get out of the car, the cab, and he said, "Are you Muslim?" I said, "Yes, of course I'm Muslim." He said, "I am too. My wife has cancer. Please make dua." And I did. And I've been making dua. Because this is who we are. We are brothers and sisters. We can at least make dua. How many of us even make dua? I was in Washington, D.C. on a program years ago. And the program was almost over, and a young brother said to me, "Imam Siraj, there's a brother in the hospital. And please, can you make dua for him?" I said, "How far is the hospital?" He said, "So-and-so distance." I said, "Let's go." So he drove me to the hospital. I got into the room, and he said to the brother, he says, "Imam Siraj is here to see you." He said, "No, he's not." He said, "Yeah, he really is." He said, "No, stop lying." And I said, "Assalamu alaikum." If you could have seen his face. Imam Siraj came to visit me in the hospital. Little stuff. My dua is for all of you, your children.
Amen, amen.
May Allah bless your children.
Amen.
To stay in the deen.
Amen.
Those who left the deen to come back.
Amen.
Maybe Allah hears our dua. Allahumma inni a'udhuka min da'watan la yastajaba laha. The Prophet said, "Oh Allah, I seek refuge with you from a supplication that's not answered." I know you. I've known you for years. I don't know you personally, but I know your biggest concern when I travel is my children. My children have left the deen. My children. How often do we think about it? Maybe you couldn't bring them here at the conference. Maybe you did. Maybe they didn't attend any conference. Maybe they stayed in the hotel room. Maybe they watched TV the whole conference. I don't know. But I pray to Allah in some way, in some great way, Allah will intervene, realizing no one can believe except by Allah's permission. Oh Allah, help my children to come back to the faith of Islam. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.